Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to stream Claude API responses in real time. By default, when you send a request to the Claude API, your application waits until the entire response has been generated before displaying it. While this works well for many use cases, it can make applications feel less responsive, especially when Claude is generating longer answers. Streaming solves this problem by allowing your application to receive Claude's response piece by piece as it's being generated. Instead of waiting for the complete output, your users can watch the response appear in real time, similar to how Claude responds in its own interface. This creates a faster, more interactive experience and is ideal for chatbots, coding assistants, writing tools, and other AI-powered applications. The first step is to open your terminal. If you haven't already installed the official Anthropic SDK, you'll need to do that first. Run the installation command for the official Anthropic JavaScript client package using your preferred JavaScript package manager. This installs the SDK that provides built-in support for streaming responses from the Claude API. Wait for the installation to finish successfully before continuing. Next, make sure your application can authenticate correctly. Still inside your terminal, run the command that exports your Claude API key into your current environment session variables. Replace the placeholder value with your actual API key from the Anthropic console. Using environment variables keeps your API credentials separate from your application code and is considered the recommended security practice. Once your API key has been configured, create a new JavaScript file. Run the terminal command that creates a file named claude.stream.js. Open the newly created file using your preferred code editor. Now copy and paste the provided streaming example script into the file. This example demonstrates how to use the Anthropic SDK's built-in .streaming helper. Instead of waiting for Claude to finish generating the complete response, the SDK begins delivering the output as a live stream. The script also listens for the text event. Each time Claude generates another fragment of text, the event fires immediately, allowing your application to display the content as it arrives. This creates the familiar typing effect seen in many modern AI applications. The example script performs several important tasks: imports the official Anthropic SDK, authenticates using your API key, initializes the Claude client, creates a streaming request, listens for incoming text fragments, displays the response continuously as Claude generates it. After you've pasted the code, save the file. Return to your terminal. Navigate to the folder containing claude.stream.js if necessary. Finally, execute the JavaScript file from your terminal. When the application starts successfully, Claude will begin generating its response. Instead of appearing all at once, you'll see the output stream into your terminal continuously as new text becomes available. This confirms that streaming has been configured correctly. To summarize, streaming Claude API responses begins by opening your terminal and installing the official Anthropic JavaScript client package if it isn't already installed. Next, export your Claude API key into your current environment so the SDK can authenticate your requests securely. After that, create a new file named claude.stream.js and paste in the provided example script, which initializes the Anthropic client, uses the SDK's built-in .streaming helper, and listens for the text event so your application can receive response fragments in real time. Finally, execute the script from your terminal to watch Claude's output stream continuously as it's generated. Using streaming creates a much more responsive experience than waiting for an entire response to finish before displaying it. By taking advantage of the Anthropic SDK's native streaming support, you can build chatbots, coding assistants, writing tools, and other AI-powered applications that feel faster, more interactive, and significantly more natural for users by displaying Claude's responses as they are generated. And that's how to stream Claude API responses in real time. By installing the official Anthropic SDK, configuring your API key, using the .streaming helper, and listening for incoming text events, you can deliver Claude's responses live as they're generated, creating a smoother and more engaging experience for your users. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.